Hello guys and welcome to BitcoinMF. Good morning. Quick TA update where I see the market today. I remind you this is not a financial advice. All the links are in the description. You can follow all my signals trades and all the info I share. But make sure you do your own research and you know how it is. But kids, let's go. Today we see on the daily chart we have a nice bounce, okay? And if you follow the Discord server, I said this yesterday because actually I am right now still more bear, but I was looking to see if we get a bounce here or a down move, and we did get a bounce. And today we watch the market closely to see if we can go and break those levels, because this is a very important level in my opinion, and this is also the next levels of resistance. So what I think will actually happen is because of all this bull sentiment, and because of everybody is in profits and everybody is happy, you know what I mean. Also, I am happy, of course, but I try to look on the other sides of markets and to find the sweet spot as always. So if I add the indicators, I can see definitely RSI curving up. MACD doesn't want to listen to the gravity, doesn't want to listen to anybody, and does only what Satoshi wants, goes up. And the stochastic RSI is curving down, but it curves down when price goes up, and it's like the real bulls say, fuck this stochastic RSI doesn't mean shit. And maybe they're right, sometimes it does not mean nothing. But that's not the point today. What we look about is what we look for is the moves, is try to see where it's headed and where we can we catch the profits and close at profit, okay? So this is on the daily chart. These are regular candles, okay, basic. Of course, a nice candle up will bring the bulls inside market, think a little bit, but let's see what else we can see. Like always, I add the BB band, I add the BitcoinMF strategy, and I change it to Ike and Ashi for it to work, okay? And here we can see that we have this long last signal, okay, nice move up. Try to sell one time, like I said before, it doesn't get the sell-off, continues go up. And here we get 3 red candles. Everybody is going, oh no, this is the top, maybe this is not the top, you know what I mean. The last days are very intense. And after those intense days, which yesterday I also thought that we're gonna see a little bit more down, we do get a nice bounce up, and the candle is a green candle, and everybody wakes up this morning and says green, oh my god, it's gonna reach the 8 it's gonna break 8k, and it's gonna be even more. And okay, so actually today what I think is all the peoples that are short in from here, they put stop losses here and also here. So once they were in profit, okay, from this fall, okay, and the stop moved from the pressure, because you don't want to lose. So many traders, they put the stops as soon as they're in profit, they put the stops in just to close in profit, I also sometimes do this, but it depends on what you're gonna do on the wider plan, okay? So those people who put the stops and were in profit before this real let's say real short, yes, so they got stopped, okay, and now they got stopped and they feel that the market is going against, and they feel like the bull is coming, and some of them even might reverse and go long right now, and some of them might be scared, even if not stop yet, okay, and maybe close at profit, maybe put a stop, a tighter stop, maybe they put a stop here because they see what I'm talking about, and they say, oh mister, I will not put my stop tight here because I'm not Dumbo, I will put my stop way above so it won't touches me. But the bull can go bull, we all know, and it can go and also collect those stops that are still here. This is why today I watch carefully, because those levels, this and this and this, will be very, very important in my opinion, because as soon as price gets into here, we will be hearing bull from every corner of the, I don't know, wherever you are, you will be hear it. So anyways, this is the daily, the 12 hours. We take a look at the 12-hour, and we can see that also we have a green candle, nice green candle, but already selling off a little bit, okay, and we get this little short signal, okay, on this BitcoinMF strategy. And again, I remind you, you can read all about in the description. All the links are there. I don't want to talk too much about it. You know what you know what I mean. And here on the 4 hours, we can see that we get a long signal, but again, I don't rush into trades on the signal. It's the general way I view the market. And also the TA here is suggesting that the RSI is about to go above the 50 level, and the MACD is going above to go to the positive cycle maybe. So TA wise, in my opinion, this time frame is bullish, and it will drag many bulls. But again, when it drags inside the bulls, I also look at the option that what will happen if the market goes against all the retail traders and against the small money, and what will happen if it goes down. Okay, so let's take a look at the 1 hour. We can see a EMA bullish cross, and in my opinion, also small traders are looking at this and they say it's very bullish, and we also get this long signal, which is also confirming us a little bit that it's bullish. But I remind you, the BB bands, and it works on all the time frames. When the price is going strong outside the BB bands and candle closes there, it has a great chance, in my opinion, to start to go in the reverse direction, and we can see that. And it's sometimes not working immediately, you see, because nothing works immediately, in my opinion. And we have these waves, you see. It's like if you follow my method and you enter here, so you go yeah, and suddenly it dumps on you, and you say lazy doesn't know shit, and suddenly it goes up, and you say, well, maybe lazy was right, and then it goes dump, and then you say that lazy doesn't know shit, but then it goes up, and when here I say to you, watch out for that BB action. So I mean it, because I don't know it. Of course it can go up, but I also see it can go down, and we can always see this, that it's like a dance, it's like a dance every time. It works on all the time frames, but those are the strengths of the BB bands. For me, this is why I like it. Some other people say that BB bands are shit because of this. But again, it's a tool, and it's like a musical instrument, and everybody is playing like they playing, okay? So I play how I play, and this is the music I get, okay? So I just focus on not losing. That's my purpose, actually, and that's also my kind of secret tip, okay? I don't focus on winning. I don't know how to put it in words. I don't focus on the best trades. I focus on not losing, and when I focus on not losing, all is left is profit. It is very simple, but not simple, okay? You get me. 30 minutes, we see that it's the market trying to sell off a little bit, and the bulls right now will say to you, look at this, bears got no power, and it's gonna it's gonna blast through the roof. And of course, I think there is a chance, of course, no problem, but TA here is suggesting a little bit else, but we watch closely, okay, and we keep the updates. On the 15 minutes, on the scalper time frames, as I call it, we can see a little bit move down already, but again, move down, move up, move down, move up, move up, move down, and we expect the move up, of course, can happen. I'm not saying no. Actually, I kind of say it can happen, because for me, you see, if it tricks everybody now on this short time frame, it will go up, touch the BB band a little bit outside the BB band, like I say, and will hardly dump. Okay, like, you know what I mean? This is what I see, but of course it can go up and up and up and up. But here, suggesting me that it won't go up more. So this is basically the quick run up, and I want to show you another thing that I wrote about on the Discord server, but I want to show it to you here so you get what I talk about. Okay, if we go to the CME and if we watch the CME, okay, on the 1 hour time frame with the regular candles, okay, I will remove this for you so it's be more clear. Okay, I'm sure you know the talking about the gap. Okay, we talked about this also in the server and the video. So we did close the gap with the tail. We didn't close it with the body, but we did it close with the tail. And everybody is talking right now that gaps are closing. All the gaps are closing, and those who said before that gaps doesn't matter, they say now, okay, gaps doesn't matter, but it still close. Everybody got something to say. I also got something to say. That's the way it is. So what I say is like this. Because we've been brainwashed that the gaps are closed, and we did get this huge gap close, okay? And because right now CME stopped at this price, and everybody else, the retail, the spot exchanges are going on, and they climbed up to here, so we get another gap. Actually, right now we get another gap. And when the CME will open, people will start to notice it, in my opinion, if not already, and it will go and close this gap. First of all, it will close this gap because it's like they always say, the gaps are closing. 9 out of 10 or something like this, the statistic, the narrative say. I listen to it, but at the same time I don't listen to it, okay? I think if they go and they close this gap, so after this gap is closed, everybody who is average John, Jimmy, whatever you call it, they will say, okay, gap is closed, it's now time for the moon, and will press the green button. In my opinion, this will make sentiment even more bullish, okay, bullish to the max almost, I think. And this is when the bears will strike and will bring the price down, in my opinion, and we will have a chance to close this tiny gap which no one talks about and no one almost sees, okay? So this is what I'm looking at today, and of course it doesn't mean it will play out, but this is where I'm headed, okay? Because if price action reaches this level, in my opinion also, it can trigger lots of panic sell, because it will again remind the people the 6K and the flashback effect. And for me, it has the same strength as if we go up to here, okay, up to here, to this level, and we go try to take the 10K. You know what I mean? Because if we go to the 10K, then everybody will say, oh my god, it's the fucking 10K, and even I will close my short. But you get me? If we go to the 6K, we also do the same. It's like the same, but from the opposite. So this is what I wanted to show you guys, and I don't know what's happened, but only time will tell. You can like, comment, subscribe if you like this. Of course, if you don't like this, you can also like, comment, and subscribe. I don't care. But also, you can check the description for the trades I use. I share them on the Telegram scanner. It's a free scanner, and you can read all about it in the description and check it. There is a news channel also, and the Discord server where I update more frequently if I see something more small, even, or some news or interesting, or even some memes sometimes. So this is it for today, guys. I hope you made money yesterday, and trade safe and make profits, and good luck, and see you next time. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.